He's got hiccups.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Be scared and make her stop. Move.
It's like a frog jumping in there.